Hi there, students. August or August. Let's see. I'm sure you all know the month August, yeah? The 8th month of the year. But we also have an adjective, august, meaning respected, impressive, distinguished, respected. So the august emperor entered the palace, the august surroundings of the king, the august professors of the great university, yeah, the august sponsor of this charity, the Prince of Wales. So august, meaning to have great importance, to be special, especially of the highest class. Now, notice, listen to it. The month, August, but the adjective, august. So there's a change in the stress pattern. The month of August, but he's august, emperor, king, whatever. Okay, so notice there is actually a difference in stress pattern which changes the meaning. Yeah, August, the 8th month of the year between July and September. Yeah, I'm going on holiday in August. But the august teacher, yeah, the great teacher, somebody, particularly something or somebody of the highest social class. We were gifted the august presence of the Queen, respected and dignified. Yeah, he comes from an august lineage, yeah, that goes back 2,000 years. Yeah, an august personage. So august, eminent, venerable, something that should be admired, something that has supreme dignity, something that is full of grandeur, something that's majestic. So I spent my holiday in the august surroundings of a 5-star hotel. I wish. Yeah. So august, notable, great, kingly, grand, imposing, impressive, distinguished, superb, glorious, elevated, high-ranking, lofty, exalted, and many, many more. Yes, the august surroundings of the dining room at the Ritz Hotel. What a wonderful place to be. Yeah, august, large and impressive in size and scope and extent. Yeah, magnificent, grandiose. His august presence, imperial, royal, venerable. Let's see. As to formality, this is a rather formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. In an informal conversation, it sounds a bit weird. It sounds like a joke. The grand, the fantastic, the noble, yeah, the majestic, something like that. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe. A semi-formal writing, particularly something literary, sounds like a really good word to use. Something impressive, fantastic. Yeah, and formal writing as well. And then as to origin, this comes through French from Latin. Augustus, meaning majestic, venerable, august, imperial or royal, from augeo, to increase, to enlarge, to make bigger. Yeah, and then notice the month itself comes from the emperor Augustus. Yeah, and it was the month was named after him. Yeah, but effectively it comes from the same root. So august. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you thought it was august, give it another rating. Subscribe to my August channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. August.